This is Shabina. I am assistant professor at SNS College of Technology. I am handling strategic management. Today we are going to see about an introduction of strategic management. So basically we are going to see what is strategy, what is sparkling in our mind when we hear that name as strategy. So strategy actually in the concern is meaning how you frame uh, a, a game theory from starting place to the end, achieving or win-win situation. So we are going to see the regarding how we can manage strategy in life as well as for business. So now we are going to see about the dimensions of strategic management. The strategic management in basically is all about evaluation, planning, framing visions, missions, goals, and everything. So when we talk about nature of strategic management is the dynamic process that guides organization in achieving their long-term objectives and mindset, which could support their business as well as to sustain any market. In this same concept, we are going to see about dimensions of strategic management. In dimensions of strategic management, we have three categories. Where first one is strategic analysis, where we analyze the situation of the business using the SWOT analysis, the strength of the strength, weakness, the opportunities that we get from the external and internal factors, and the threats that apply when we are running in the business through. And we analyze all these things and it on the basis of three basic categories with respect to trends, the competitors behavior, the competitors new products arrival and everything, and about the market dynamics, which is not at all constant, so we have to update day and day. So dimensions of strategic management is basically for of three categories. The first one is strategic formulation. So here what we do, we frame out a clear cut goal and objective to achieve them using a proper vision and mission that we frame for our long term goal to be achieved, right? So next, so we do crafting and other process to attain the same for a long period of time. The next topic here that we are going to discuss under dimension is strategy implementation. So what we have analyzed and framed that we are going to implement and test. So here what we do, we actually execute and run through the process, and we have a check, and we find for pros and cons that occur during the means execution stage pre-only, and here we just do a pilot study and we just test and see. And the third and final stage that we are going to go see here is strategic analysis, where we understand the organization's internal strength, weakness, its opportunities and threats that we are going to face during the long-term goal and mission that we are going to attain. So this is also based on the three basic concepts: analyzing with the proper trends that change day to day, the competitors' behavior, the competitors' ideas, and about the market dynamics, so as required by the customers. Then, so we are going to summarize and see what is happening, what we have seen up to this. So here we can see that it is in basic, when we talk about dimensions of strategic management, there are three basic concepts that we have to analyze and see. First one is analysis, then formulation, then implement, and then evaluate. You can also try this out in your daily life, from what you do from the morning to evening. So you could develop yourself a very good strategy of personally, right? So the secondly that we discussed still was emphasize on the interconnectedness and interactive nature and strategic management process, where we discussed about the SWOT analysis, where we were about to see about the strength, weakness, and the opportunities and the threats that became the major factor in running up a business or an organization. Then finally, we could conclude with the concept of importance of strategic management in guiding organization decision making, foster adaptation, and changing environmental day by day and achieving long-term goal. So thank you for this opportunity, giving an